Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to show you guys that I recently made an order on the website called Grove Collaborative, I think it's called. I will list it down below obviously, but I just want to show you the stuff that I bought. So this is everything that I got right here, and I did get all of this stuff for $20, which is awesome. I'm going to show you guys how you can get a bunch of stuff for $20 as well. Now, to be upfront, it is a kind of like a subscription service, but you can kind of put things, or like say that you don't need it, or like manage your product subscription so that you're not getting stuff when you don't need it, and also you don't have to put in another order. Also, it does sign you up for VIP, so you can just cancel that if you don't want an additional fee next year. But I think that if you live in a place, or even like I live in LA and there's a ton of vegan and cruelty-free options available to me, but I feel like sometimes they are a little hard to find. I have to go to several different stores. I don't drive, so it's a lot easier for me to just kind of order things online instead of taking like a million Ubers everywhere. So this, I feel like, is really helpful. And I talked about this before, but I did take a cross-country road trip recently, and it really opened my eyes. Living in LA and even in California in general, I feel like we are very spoiled, and even though I'm from a very rural place, we still had stuff available to us that was about an hour away. So even though it was a little inconvenient, it was still possible. But I found that when we were driving, there weren't even like Targets for hours and hours. So if you live in a place like that where vegan and cruelty-free products are not readily available, or even if you do live in somewhere like LA and you're just interested, I think this is a really good service that they provide. So anyway, let's just get into the little haul that I have. So it did come with this caddy, which is really nice. So it came with a 5-piece set. If you use my referral down below, you will also get a free 5-piece set, or whatever promotion that they have going on at the time. So I received the caddy. I did get a Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner, and this is in the lemon verbena scent, and all of these are in the same scent. So I also got the dish soap, Mrs. Meyer's, as well. And oh, I'm just kidding, they aren't all the same scent. This is the lavender scent in the hand soap. And then I did get a sponge that was also part of the free 5-piece set. So the things that I purchased, and it's really helpful because on their website they actually list everything that is vegan, which is really great when you're trying to shop only vegan. So all of these products are obviously vegan, cruelty-free, and Schmidt's and Mrs. Meyer's do have a parent company that tests on animals, so if you guys are trying to avoid that, just full disclosure. So I got the Yes to Blueberry Shea liquid hand soap, and I'm excited to try this. I haven't really tried that many products from Yes To, but I'm really excited to give this one a go. I also got this Hello toothpaste. I think that all of their products are actually vegan, which is great, and they're also available in places like Walmart, I found, which is great because it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to find vegan cruelty-free products. But anyway, this is the activated charcoal. I'm really excited to try this one out. And then I did get another one of my favorites, which is the Schmidt's Geranium Flower Deodorant Sensitive Skin Formula. This is one of my all-time favorites. I'm always using this, always running out, always repurchasing, so highly recommend this. If you guys cannot find a deodorant that works for you, or if you are trying to use like a baking soda one and it irritates your armpits, I would highly recommend the Sensitive Skin Formula. It's like one of the only ones that actually does work for me, and I love it. So anyway, this is my first order with Grove, and I did put in another order recently. So if you guys do use my referral link down below, you will get your free 5-piece set, and then once you have that set up, you can go ahead and refer your friends and then send them a free 5-piece set, and then you'll get a referral credit in return for that, which is super awesome. I love companies that do referral programs. I don't think that Grove knows who I am, this video is not sponsored, but just full disclosure, this is a referral program, but you guys can also do it as well. You don't have to be like a social media influencer or anything. But I thought this was a great little service, and it's obviously really helpful that they list everything that is vegan. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I know that it's really hard to find like cleaning products that are vegan and cruelty free. I know that's like one of the last things that people do when they are transitioning to cruelty free, because it's a little complicated and it's a lot easier to just go to the store and pick up a cleaning supply for like $2 or like the dollar store, but it is tested on animals, and I know that we're all trying to do the best that we can. So yeah, if this is helpful to you guys or anyway, I hope that I can be of assistance helping you guys find some great new products. You guys are always asking me about shower products, household products, personal care products, and Grove has so many options, and Grove pretty much has everything you could want on their website, which is awesome, and you can get it delivered to you, which is great. They are also very environmentally conscious, which is great. It's hard to find companies who are also keeping the environment in mind, so if that's something that's important to you guys, then I think that you will really appreciate their website. So from what I can see, almost everything on their website is cruelty free, and if you guys are wondering what is cruelty free, I will leave down Logical Harmony's list down below if you're wondering what is cruelty free on their website. But they do label everything that is vegan on their website, which is really helpful when you're shopping. I know that sometimes it can be kind of like a wild goose chase or something. I don't know what the expression is, but it's a little hard sometimes to find out what vegan and cruelty-free products are, because you'll be searching for it on Google, nothing's coming up, whatever. The company doesn't put it out there. So it's really helpful that they actually labeled vegan on their website. So I hope that you guys did find this useful. If you guys want me to show you my next haul with Grove, I would be more than happy to show that with you. I got a lot of stuff. They have so many things on their website. They have vitamins, toilet paper, tissues, reusable, what are those called? Sandwich bags. They have so many things on there, and I feel like, I don't know, I'm not even like going shopping this month for anything household related, because I bought it all on Grove, and I'm so excited about it because it's so annoying to try to go to like 3 different stores. Even though I'm in LA, it's still a little bit difficult going to like Whole Foods, Target, trying to find different products that actually are cruelty free and vegan. So this is really helpful for me personally, and I hope that you guys find it helpful as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of video you'd like to see in the future, or just come say hey and talk to me in the comments.